Hello, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jarvis. Today, we're diving into a serious topic in the crypto world, which is multi-signature wallets. The content presented on the Syntax Verse channel does not represent investment or financial advice of any kind. The information, graphics, speeches are provided for educational and entertainment purposes only. Most crypto wallets rely on a single private key. Lose it, you lose access. If someone else gets it, they can drain your funds. That's a lot of pressure on one string of characters. Now imagine a wallet that needs multiple people or multiple devices to approve a transaction. That's what a multi-signature wallet does. It's called multi-sig, and it replaces single points of failure with shared control. What is a multi-sig wallet? A multi-sig wallet requires more than one private key to sign and send a transaction. Instead of just one person holding the power, you split it up. A common setup is 2 of 3. That means there are 3 keys in total, and any 2 of them are needed to approve a transaction. You can also do 3 of 5, 4 of 7, or any structure you want. As long as the minimum number of keys sign, the funds move. Without them, nothing happens. No single person can act alone. Why should you use multi-sig wallet? Because it's safer. If you lose one key in a 2 of 3 setup, your funds are still recoverable with the other 2. If one key gets compromised, the attacker can't move your funds. They need more approvals. Multi-sig eliminates the risk of a single lost device, a single hack, or a single bad actor. It's also a perfect solution for groups or teams who manage shared funds. You can require signatures from multiple trusted members before any money moves. What are its real-world use cases? Let's run through where multi-sig shines. Number 1. DAOs and protocol treasuries, decentralized projects use multi-sig wallets to manage their funds. No one team member can move money without the others agreeing. It creates accountability. Number 2. Companies and startups' crypto treasuries often require the CFO, CEO, and maybe a board member to sign off before spending. That prevents internal abuse. Number 3. Families and inheritance. Some people set up multi-sig wallets with their spouse or children. If one person passes away, the others can still access the funds safely. Number 4. Crypto partnerships or investment clubs. If 2 or more people go in on crypto together, they can set up a shared wallet that requires everyone's approval. Number 5. Custodians and exchanges, large platforms, protect their reserves with multi-sig setups, reducing risk from both internal staff and outside attackers. Now that we know its real-world use cases, how does it work in practice? Let's say you're using a 2 of 3 setup. You create a wallet with 3 separate keys. You can hold them all yourself. Say, one on your phone, one on a hardware wallet, and one on a backup device. Or you can share them with other people. When it's time to spend funds, 2 of those keys must sign. The transaction won't go through with just one. This setup makes it much harder for hackers to steal your funds and much easier for teams to stay transparent. Now, what are the security benefits versus trade-offs? First, let's take a look at the benefits. 1. No single point of failure. 2. Shared access for groups or organizations. 3. Easy recovery even if one key is lost. 4. Stops impulsive or unauthorized spending. Now the trade-offs are: 1. More setup steps. 2. Requires coordination to sign transactions. 3. If too many keys are lost, funds are locked forever. Not all wallets and apps support multi-sig. By default, it's a trade-off between security and convenience. For many people and organizations, it's worth it. How to set it up? To get started with multi-sig, 1. Choose a wallet that supports it. For Bitcoin, wallets like Electrum or Casa. For Ethereum, Gnosis Safe is a go-to option. 2. Decide how many signers you want and how many should be required to sign. 3. Generate the keys. You can use hardware wallets, apps, or key management tools. 4. Deploy the wallet and share the keys securely. Test it. Send a small amount. Confirm that only the right number of keys can approve it. Once it's set up, you'll use the wallet just like any other, except transactions won't be valid until enough signers approve them. Final thought on multi-signature wallets. Multi-signature is simple in concept, but powerful in practice. Whether you're managing funds alone, with a team, or for a community, it gives you layers of protection that a regular wallet just can't match. In a world where losing one key can cost everything, multi-sig is one of the smartest moves you can make. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple crypto explanations.